Okay, so right now I'm in the place of WordPress. So WordPress is a place where we can able to create a awesome website at without much of having the coding knowledge. Okay, so that is a plus of the WordPress, and WordPress will help us. It's a kind of default SEO optimized pages, whatever that we create from the WordPress. But this default SEO optimizations are not the complete. It is going to be making only the basic elements, like making the website text to code ratio as minimal as possible, and by using the same text for header h1 tag and deploying the h2 tags automatically. But usually, this is not going to be the complete, and this will not help us to completely optimize the SEO purpose. If we want to optimize a website for the purpose of SEO, we want to know which keyword we have to deploy in title, which keyword we want to deploy in tags, and etc. Right? All right. So we will be seeing all those things in detail with this WordPress document right now. Right now, since I already have a website, I can able to view some of the websites in this My Site option. If not, you might require to create a new website. Okay. All right. So right now in this site option, in the pages, I'm going to create a new page. Okay, so in this option, there is an option called add new page. Please click this add new page option, and please select the project that you are going to add the new page to. All right. So before I'm going to create a new page for my website, so I have to choose some of the templates whichever is available in the left hand side panel. I have few of the good site templates whichever is available here. So I'm going to choose one of the template which is available from here. So let me to choose the option which is available at the third template. So because it looks much easier for me to edit, and some of the images looks something like which looks much opt for the thing that we are going to do it right now. So I had chosen the third option right now. So this template name is about, I think, about layout. All right, so let me to use this particular template. I'm going to click this use about layout. Done. So in order to edit this particular website, so what are the default things that I can able to change it in order to make this particular website, a quick and complete things are. One thing is, I can make the changes of whatever the title that is available. So right now here, I have something like about is available. So instead, I'm going to write something for such intended. Personality based website might not be required. Let us go for the company based website. Let us create some website for the organization, for the company that we are going to, for the business that we are going to do. Always something, the passion that we are, a passion that we that derives us. For an example, how shall we create? Shall we let us create something like people who are looking for some cricket, and if they want to look for some interesting objectives, so let us create some website for a cricket. Okay, all right. Cricket, I'm going to create something like cricket fans. Okay, so this is the title that I had given for this particular page. I'm going to create a page for the cricket fans, and I'm going to update some of the things whichever is feels interesting for the cricket fans. Okay, so here I think this template is somewhat most likely to be created for a personal website. Anyway, not a problem. We will use the same website for the purpose of the objective to be objective for us to complete this objective. So here I'm going to write in something like um, recent cricket updates. All right, done. So in this add your job title, I will add something else. I let me to use a let me to use some kind of a small caption that will help most of the members to get engaged. So what I can able to add, so I can able to add something like get recent updates on the sport. That's fine because cricket I had used a lot of places. All right. So instead of this contact me, so this contact me is not required. To delete this block. Done. All right, I had removed this block. So right now I'm going to write here a description, something like, hi there, uh, welcome to our community on uh, cricket info and the latest updates. And I mean, that's good enough. Welcome to our community on cricket info and latest cricket updates. And we can say something like, uh, something like, uh, you are welcome with for your comments. You are welcome for your comments for the updates that are that are available on this app. All right. I think this will be good enough for the purpose of understanding and learning. All right. So right now I'm going to add something more. So what I'm going to create. I'm going to create something about Sachin Tendulkar updates. All right. Done. So then the next one I'm going to give is Dhoni updates, and the next one is Virat Kohli updates. And what else do we have? Let us have the word called Harbhajan updates. Done. This is good enough for us right now. Okay, let me do delete this particular block which is not required. All right. So what else do I have? So right now I have some of the options for Facebook, Twitter, and by default template options. So I had chosen this Facebook option, and at the top I'll be having the option to edit this particular block. So by which I can able to add the Facebook name and the link that I can able to